Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from OdinSchool for the role of data science guys, and this is bootcamp and duration for this bootcamp guys only 6 months. In this 6 month guys they will teach you, train you, and after that praise you. Okay, and many of you are knowing that the demand of data science day by day increasing, and there are multiple job openings in the career platform. Okay, so in this video guys I will recommend you one best platform to learn all this skill along with placement assistant guys. It means guys they will teach you, train you, and after that simply placed you. Okay, so let's start in detail guys. So as you can see right on the screen, OdinSchool data science courses, join, learn, get hired, Sly bootcamp with placement assistant. Okay, and in Google guys 4.6 ratings out of 5. Okay, so you can check out. Okay, and some highlights are guys live instructed lead bootcamps, job readiness in 6 months. Okay, so in 6 months guys they will teach you, train you, and after that placed you. Okay, and project based learning and unlimited job opportunity also there. Okay, and required qualification for this opportunity guys, any graduate can apply for this opportunity if you are passionate about learning skills and want to start your career in the field of IT companies. So you can learn this skill, and if you don't the knowledge of any programming languages, then you can also start this platform. And batches guys, fresher and experienced both batches can apply for this opportunity, and branches, all branches can apply for this opportunity, and there is no any prerequisite for this opportunity. So if you are passionate, then you can apply for this opportunity. Remaining thing they will teach you from scratch. Okay, and fee structure guys 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and earlier 100 seat registration 8,000 is off. Okay, and next bootcamp is starting from 26th of August this month. Okay, so you have time. So about fee structure guys I will discuss in detail. Okay, but before that let me tell you about the courses, what are the things you're gonna learn in this 6 month. Okay, so here you can see the most in demand skill in a single curriculum guys. So modules are divided in two parts, core modules and elective modules. Okay, so in core modules guys you're gonna cover topics like setup to data science, statics, machine learnings, business intelligence, storytelling, ETL, Python, SQL. Okay, in elective guys Power BI and PySpark. Okay, and guys they will also offer to you to work in a project, whatever project currently running on industry. So you can see what's a great curriculum without project based learning. Okay, so right now 10 plus data science project running in industry. Okay, project like COVID-19 predictions, and you can see they have mentioned about credit card approval, health insurance prediction. Okay, so these all projects currently running on industry. Okay, and some additional career services provided through this platform. So you can see power ahead in your career with career services like resume building, mock interview, behavioral skills workshop, online profile buildings, industry interaction, regular job drive. Okay, so they will teach you guys from scratch and everything. Okay, and after that placed you. Okay, and many good companies are hiring through this platform guys. So you can see 500 plus hiring partners are there. Okay, and many good companies like TCS, Bajaj, Accenture, Cognizant. So many big and good companies are hiring through this platform. And right now is 305 job available for our learners. So you can see 305 data science job opportunity available to our learner with this peak. Okay, and medium package will be 7 LPA and highest package will be 35 LPA. And top job role offer from this platform guys. So you can see data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and Power BI developer. So these are the top job roles offered from this platform. Okay, and many students are getting placed through this platform guys. So you can see here from our peers who have successfully placed. Okay, so this all is student getting placed through this platform. So in case if you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact with them on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see their LinkedIn URL is there, so just click on it, and after you will redirect to LinkedIn page, and after you can directly contact with them. Okay, and you can talk with them. Okay, and also guys mentors are already working in industry, so they have better knowledge and experience. They will teach you in better ways. So you can see meet our mentor and a speaker. So mentors are already working in industry. So here you can see Avinash Misra, he is working as a data scientist manager at SBI, and Sarveshram, he is working as a senior data scientist at LTM Intri and Infosys. Okay, so mentors are already working in industry guys, so they have better knowledge and experience. They will teach you and guide you in better way. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlights except fee structure and qualification guys, let me tell you again, any graduate can apply for this opportunity guys, and fresher and experienced both batches can apply for this opportunity. Means below 2023 all batches can try for this opportunity, and all branches, and if you have less than 60%, then you can also apply for this opportunity guys. And let me tell you about the fee structure for this opportunity. As you can see, get it started now. So final fee will be 99,000 plus GST. And right now guys, some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and for 100 seat registration guys, 8,000 is also off. Okay, so final fee will be only 61,000. And right now some no cost EMI option is also there for 3 months, 6 month, 9 month and 12 month. And per month guys, 5,506 rupees only. Okay, and if you want to reserve your seat guys, so you can see fee for reserving seat 5,000 plus GST. Okay, cohort is starting from 26th of August this month. Okay, and this platform is also trusted by many students. So you can see, like, after paying your full payment, if you don't like the courses, so refund policy is also there up to 10 days. Okay, so you can see one important highlight that I mentioned: if you wish to withdraw from your bootcamp within the first 100C, your fee will be fully refunded. Okay, so this platform is also trusted by many students. Okay, so although we have discussed every important highlight about this bootcamp guys, so also don't forget to check FAQ section before applying, because here some general questions answer are already done. Okay, so before applying, don't forget to check, like you can see some question like how long is the boot camp, so you can see 5 hours of learning. Okay, and not everyone gonna start list for this opportunity guys, but you can try for this opportunity, no issue. Okay, so how you can apply for this opportunity? Right side you can see registration form is there. So just fill your first name, last name, email ID, contact number, graduation year. Okay, so like if you're 2023 batches, then select this one, and if you're fresher, then select none. Okay, and after request a call back, and after they will contact you. So apply for this opportunity guys, everyone can try for this opportunity. So apply link will be given in video description. From there you can simply apply for this opportunity. If you face any problem guys, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description, so check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you read checking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.